Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you all doing today? As you know, I'll be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. So the aim of this video of this challenge is to put as much makeup on, as much makeup products on, so at the end I might come out fabulous, or I will come out be like a masquerade. I don't really know what is going to be. So I'm actually terrified. My heart rate is going because this is a challenge. Anyway, before I jump into this video, I would like Lily Vibes and Flora Amarsa to go ahead, and I challenge them to do this 5 minutes makeup challenge as well. So at the end, you guys can judge who did it best. I'm going to tag them and I'm going to put their link down below. I have my timer here, is all set. Let me take a deep breath. I'm just gonna go ahead. So I don't know if you can see, I don't want to fiddle with my camera at the moment, but everything is neatly laid out. It's a challenge, so I have to lay everything out. I have to literally put everything out. So should we count? iGladon, are you ready? Are you steady? So let's just give that a whack. Oh my goodness, I'm terrified. It's counting. Yeah, I have to just go ahead and start doing it now. The first thing I will do, I'll just give my face a little spray. Oh no, gosh, it's not going well. Should I? Okay, I'll do that. Let that just settle in. Should I rush it, or should I just take my time to do it? Should I think about, like, you know, when you're doing an exam, you have to find your. So I've done that. I think a strategic thing to do is to do my eyebrow. I think that will be, so I'm using MAC. I don't think I'll be showing my product because this is just like a going to leave the concealer like this. So I'll go ahead and put my foundation quickly. Come on, iGladon, you have to be quick. iGladon, you have to be quick. You have to win this challenge. So I'll go ahead and put my foundation. So the reason why I've done it like this is just for me to, you know, to be able to blend in the concealer as well, instead of me trying to blend the concealer. I think it's quicker. Sometimes I do my concealer like this. It's just a little bit quicker. You know, with concealing the eyebrow, I do like a lazy makeup. I can't be asked. Some people, they have time to literally sit and make everything really perfect. But my goodness, it's just like I don't have the it's not like I don't have the patience. It's just like when you're looking after young kids, it's very difficult, if you know what I mean. You just have to find like easy routes that works for you and just follow that route. I am not a professional makeup artist, but I do try my best, you know, to scrub up nice, like the English woman would say, or the Englishman. So I'll put a little bit of concealer here. So I actually got this technique from Naomi Campbell when I followed a tutorial. If you know you haven't seen that video, I will put the link below for you to go ahead and go see. So there's a reason why you put concealer here. So she explained it, and I actually mentioned it on that video. If you know you haven't seen, go ahead, click on the link that I'm going to put. So it could be here, there, or yeah, down below also. So you could go ahead and check that one out. So I think it's okay like this. So okay, what is the next thing? I'm going to put on my concealer now. I'm going to put some concealer here. Oh my god, I don't even know what time it is. I have no clue what time it is. Oh, well, let's just go ahead and put concealer here. I'll put a bit here. Yeah, then I'll just use this phone now. Oh gosh, it's like I'm racing against time. Here we go. There we go. I'm running out of time at this point. I'm gonna just quickly put that. I'm just going to make it. I don't think I could get full. I don't think I can get a full. I don't think I could get full makeup in. I don't think I could put as much. I have to be strategic now. Next, I'm just going to put, what color am I going to use? What color? Something a bit nice and bright. I'm just going to use that. Sorry, I'm not changing my brush. I'm going to use that color. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice and bright. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that color. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's very poppy. Oh, guys, look. I have to tidy it up. Oh. How gosh, I don't know what time it is. I don't know what time it is. I'm panicking. Oh. I have no clue. Okay. Yeah, okay, that one is off. Oh yes, I need to change my brush. Yeah. I'm like literally freaking out. And I have no clue what I'm doing now at this point. I'll use this one to blend in a bit. Go on. I'm freaking out. Oh, I'm loving my eye, darling. I'm loving my eyes. Okay, that's perfect. Okay. Yeah, so the next thing I'm going to do, I don't have lashes. Oh, where's my mascara? Oh no, I don't have mascara. Yeah, I'm just going to line this a little bit. That's really nice, isn't it? Okay. In terms of just putting a little bit of product on my face, so I'm using the Smashboard just to do a bit of contouring and all that. Where's my contouring brush? Oh no, where is it? Where's that red brush? Oh shoot. I think I'm just going to use my finger, darling. I'm going to use my finger. Oh, I can't find it. The time is against me. I can't find it. I can't find my brush. I thought I brought everything out, but clearly not. So for 5 minutes, do you think I'm doing for 5 minutes challenge? Oh no. My nose, I'll just put a little bit here. Oh my goodness, I'm not blending at all. I'm not blending. Well, I'm just going to try and just work with it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'll just put a little bit here. A bit on my forehead here. So like, we're not using brush anymore, so we're just using our fingers now. So yeah, I'll put a little bit just to highlight the bottom of this place. I can't even find my mascara, so I'm just going to go ahead and contour. Let's put a bit here. In the olden days, I'm sure they use their hands to do their makeup, you know, just rub it in. Oh god, am I doing it the right way? My mirror is here. Let me look at my mirror to do this thing. Yeah, it's not going bad. I think it's going okay. So basically I've done that. So one next. I'm going to just put a little bit of this what is it called? You people should tell me, what is it called? Oh, wait there. Is the clock going to go? Oh gosh, it's going to stop any minute from now. Is it too? Oh, that's it, guys. That is my literally 5 minutes makeup. I think, oh, there's nothing here. My thought was to, oh, I need to win this thing. So this is what 5 minutes challenge gave me, literally. But my plan is to apply this. I'll just go ahead and cheat a little bit. Apply a bit of that. I hope Lily Vibe Flora, you are not looking at this video. Then I'll just put a bit of that. See, this was the intent, but I couldn't get that in. Oh my god, what did I do? Anyway guys, if you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that whenever in it. So Lily Vibe Flora, I'm absolutely waiting for your challenge. This is what I got at the end of mine. So please guys, put your alarm on. Let's put the timer on for you guys to do your challenge as well. I can't wait to see what your 5 minutes makeup challenge will be like. So until next time guys, see you. Bye bye guys.